Now to stabilize this plant, we're going to be using pot clips. And I would normally put this across, but it seems to do a better job by putting it on the angle here. And then I think I'll even use a second one to maybe crisscross it and just put one over on this side and just try different angles and see what works the best, what stabilizes the best. You might want to put one right through the plant, through the middle there. And now, because we have such a long cane here, plus the flowers, I'm going to put in this bamboo stick and try to stabilize that because everything is so new. The stick itself might not stay in that tightly. And then I think first I'll tie it to the stick above one of the bamboo nodes so that the twisty tie doesn't slide down. And then I will take it around the plant, fasten it not too tightly. You don't want to cut into the plant tissue. So now, since this is still top heavy, I am going to stabilize it further by placing it into a larger clay pot.